The safest way to move your 457B to a Gold IRA. Moving a 457B into a Gold IRA has become a reliable strategy for investors who want more stability in uncertain markets. Many retirees and professionals are turning to physical gold as a way to protect long-term savings from inflation, volatility, and economic shifts. A safe rollover requires clarity, compliance, and the right partners. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. How to move your 457B to a Gold IRA safely. 1. Confirm your eligibility. Ensure your 457B plan allows rollovers. Governmental plans usually permit transfers after leaving an employer, while non-governmental plans may restrict them. Eligibility is the foundation of a smooth, penalty-free transition. 2. Choose an IRS-approved custodian. A Gold IRA must be managed by an IRS-approved custodian. Select one with transparent fees, strong storage partnerships, and solid client support. The custodian will oversee the entire rollover and ensure compliance. 3. Use a direct rollover. A direct rollover is the safest method. Funds move directly from your 457B custodian to the Gold IRA custodian. This avoids the 60-day rule and prevents accidental taxes or penalties. 4. Select approved gold products. Gold IRAs only allow certain metals. Choose IRS-approved coins or bars with high purity, such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs. This keeps the account compliant and enhances asset security. 5. Store metals in a secure depository. Gold must be stored in an approved, insured depository. These facilities use advanced security systems, ensuring your metals remain protected and professionally monitored at all times. 6. Keep records for verification. Maintain all rollover documents, purchase receipts, and storage confirmations. Organized records support transparency and safeguard you during tax reporting or audits. 7. Review your allocation regularly. Market conditions change, so review your Gold IRA periodically. Adjusting allocations helps maintain stability and optimizes long-term growth potential. Executing a 457B to Gold IRA rollover can be both safe and strategic when done correctly. By following these steps, verifying eligibility, choosing a reputable custodian, using a direct rollover, and securing approved metals, you protect your retirement savings while gaining stronger diversification. This disciplined approach helps ensure financial resilience in an unpredictable economic landscape. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.